Mathematics Form 3. Ratio, Rate and Proportion 2. Rates. Hello. You have learned the concept of ratio and rate before. Do you still remember the two concepts? Ratio is the comparison between two quantities which have the same unit, while rate is the similarity in ratio between two pairs of quantities. In daily life, there are various situations that involve rates. For example, commercial activities that involve and the foreign exchange that involve the exchange rates. In today's lesson, you will understand and perform computations involving rates. The diagram shows a woman buying sweet potatoes. She pays 3 ringgit and 60 cents for the sweet potatoes. The price for every kilogram of sweet potatoes is 1 ringgit and 80 cents. Based on this information, can you determine the price for 5 kilograms of sweet potatoes? The price of the sweet potatoes change if the quantity of the sweet potatoes changes. Rate describes how a quantity changes with respect to another quantity. We normally use the word per or the symbol oblique to denote rate. Determine the rates and quantities involved in given situations. There are many situations in our everyday life which involve rates. Can you determine the rate involved in each situation, quantities involved in each rate, number of quantities involved in each rate? Example 1. Sharul's car used 0.07 liter of petrol for every kilometer of his journey. Solution. A. Rate of petrol used is 0.07 per kilometer. B. The two quantities involved in each rate are volume of petrol and distance of the journey. C. The number of quantities involved is 2. Calculate the rate given two different quantities. When we know the two quantities that are involved in a certain rate, the rate can be calculated by dividing one quantity with the other quantity. Example 2. The price of 10 kilograms of sugar is 35 ringgit. Calculate the price of sugar per kilogram. Solution. 10 kilograms equals to 35 ringgit. 1 kilogram equals to 35 over 10 equals to 3.50. Thus, the rate for 1 kilogram of sugar is 3 ringgit and 50 cents. You have learnt that rate changes in quantity with respect to another quantity. If one of the quantities is known, then the other quantity can be calculated. Example 3. A mini market sells green bean at the price of 1 ringgit and 50 cents per kilogram. How many kilogram can be bought with 7 ringgit and 50 cents? Solution. Quantity of green bean can be bought with 1 ringgit and 50 cents is 1 kilogram. Quantity of green bean can be bought for 1 ringgit is 1 over 1.50 kilogram. Thus, quantity of green bean can be bought with 7 ringgit and 50 cents equals to 1 over 1.50 times 7.50 equals to 5 kilograms. The rate in a certain unit can be converted to another unit that is equivalent. To convert rates from one unit of measurement to another, follow these steps. Write the rate as the division of the two quantities involved. Convert the unit of each quantity to the specified unit. Calculate the rate in the new unit of measurement. Example 4. Example 4. The rent of a shop lot in Rawang is 2,000 ringgit per month. Calculate the rate in ringgit per year. Solution. 1 month equals to 2,000. 12 months equals to 2,000 ringgit times 12 equals to 24,000 ringgit per year. Solve problems involving rates. Example 5. A water tank was filled with 200 liters of water. Due to a leakage in the tank, water flowed out at a rate of 0.5 liter per minute. Find the volume of water in the tank after 3 hours. Solution. Step 1. Understanding the problem. Given initial volume of water equals to 200 liters. Water flowed out at a rate of 0.5 liter per minute. Find volume of water in the tank after 3 hours. Step 2. Devising a strategy. First, find the volume of water which flowed out in 3 hours. The initial volume of water minus the volume of water which flowed out gives the remaining volume. Step 3. Carrying out the strategy. Water flowed at a rate of 0.5 liter per minute. 3 hours equals to 180 minutes. Volume of water flowed out in 180 minutes equals to 0.5 times 180 equals to 90 liters. Thus, volume of water in the tank after 3 hours equals to 200 minus 90 equals to 110 liters. Step 4. Checking the answer. Assume the volume of water in the tank after 3 hours is 110 liters. Work backwards to check whether the rate of water flowing out is 0.5 liter per minute. Volume of water which flowed out in 3 hours is 200 minus 110 equals to 90 liters. Rate of water flowing out of the tank equals to 90 liters divided by 3 hours equals to 90 liters divided by 180 minutes equals to 0.5 liter per minute. So, that's all for today. Goodbye.